Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Samsung Tab S10 Plus. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options on both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue and allow in first two pop-ups, then whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on Xiaomi, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and tap on the Receive button. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!